for an introduction part of the lesson, I would like to ask you some questions first. How many of you have tamed animals? Means tame करना मतलब समझते हैं? आप में से किसने कोई सा एनिमल पाला है कभी? वेदांत आपने?
Ma'am, I have 5 dogs.
You have 5 dogs. Very good. पुष्कर आपने? पुष्कर?
मैम आई एम अ डॉग ब्रीडर एंड पिजन्स है मेरे पास मैम.
Okay, आपके पास pigeons हैं. Very good. Okay. So like as you both are animal lover, आप समझते हैं कि animals जो है उनको कैसा care करना चाहिए. Okay, you know very well that how they should be treated. Fine. But here the point is that have you ever been interacted and with an such a creature which is called as dangerous? कोई ऐसा क्रिएचर जिसको हम डेंजरस जानते हैं और हमने कभी उसके साथ एनकाउंटर किया हो तो कैसा रहता है? हमने कभी किसी एनिमल को टीज किया हो और बदले में उस एनिमल का रिएक्शन हमारी तरफ कैसा रहा हो, वो चीज कैसी रहती है? ठीक है. अच्छा, कुछ चीजें तो ऐसी होती है लाइक when the name comes wild animal या dangerous animal, जैसा ही हम बोल देते हैं as a dangerous animal, from there only it begins in our mindset कि ये बहुत खतरनाक होगा. खतरनाक मतलब we are so much afraid to take it. Am I right? Am I right at this part? So herein in the story that we have snake bite, जिस लेसन का नाम है स्नेक बाइट. बाइट का मतलब होता है काटना, स्नेक का काटना. ठीक है. तो हम स्टोरी में ये देखेंगे कि किस तरीके से लिविंग क्रिएचर्स, ठीक है, वो हम ह्यूमन बींग्स से डरते हैं. हम क्रिटिकली ये अंडरस्टैंड करेंगे. क्रिटिकली मीन्स होता है कि हम क्रिटिसाइज करते हुए ये अंडरस्टैंड करेंगे कि सुपरस्टिशियस कैसे हो सकते हैं ह्यूमन बींग्स. हम बहुत सुपरस्टिशियस होते हैं. हम किस तरीके से ब्लाइंड फेथ करते हैं. हम कुछ ऐसे अनसर्टन मेडिसिन पे बिलीव कर जाते हैं, ऐसा सोचते हैं कि इससे कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा, बट ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. सो वी विल क्रिटिकली अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट मिथ. We will understand that how come people say that snakes are dangerous. No bhaiya, snakes are not dangerous. It is we human beings who are dangerous and snakes are afraid of us. Okay. We will understand how come it is important to have effective communication. इस लेसन में सबसे बड़ी चीज जो आप सीखेंगे वो ये सीखेंगे कि किस तरह से इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन करना चाहिए. इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन जब तक नहीं होती है तब तक प्रॉपर चैनल ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं होती. अभी मैं अगर कोई बात कह रही हूं और अगर आपको समझ ना आए और आप मुझसे दोबारा ना पूछें तो कल से आपको वो बात समझ नहीं आएगी. Am I true? Am I true?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So it is very important to have an effective communication. Okay. We will always realize that how come silence is not good. Okay. Many a times silence becomes a reason. Fine. Then we will understand that how like regular and irregular verbs grammatically, how tenses are needed to be used, how meaningful sentences are to be created, how requests and inquiries are to be made, and then short description about the people. We will also understand the short description to be done about the people. Okay, clear? Shall we begin with the lesson now? Kindly interact, children. Shall we begin with the lesson now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see what happens. One day, I saw a small snake in the compound. It was crawling along slowly, but when it saw me, it moved away quickly and hid itself in a coconut shell. Okay, I quietly went near and closed the mouth of the coconut shell with a stone. Then I took the shell and ran to the grandmother. I is the author or the narrator of the story. अपनी खुद की कहानी वो बता रहे हैं. तो वो कहते हैं कि एक दिन घर के कंपाउंड में, आंगन में, मैंने एक छोटे से स्नेक को देखा. ठीक है. वो बहुत स्लोली क्राउल कर रहा था. इट वाज वेरी स्लोली क्रीपिंग. ठीक है. बट जैसे ही स्नेक ने मुझे देखा, As soon as it saw me, it moved quickly and hid itself in a coconut shell. वो जल्दी से भागा और भाग करके एक कोकोनट के शेल में जाकर छुप गया. कोकोनट का शेल समझते हैं आप? उसका बाहर का कवरिंग, ठीक है, उसमें जाकर वो छुप गया. अब नैरेटर कहते हैं that I quietly went near, धीरे से मैं पास गया और कोकोनट शेल को मैंने एक स्टोन से उसके माउथ को कवर कर दिया. Then I picked up the coconut shell and I ran to the grandmother. और मैं दौड़ते हुए कहाँ गया? मैं grandmother के पास गया. Look, grandma! I cried. I have caught a snake. मैंने क्या बोला अपनी grandmother से? That look, grandma! I have caught a snake. मुझे एक snake मिला. Snake? Said grandma with alarm. एकदम डर के alarm. Grandma बोली. That snake? Where did you get? And she was shocked by this. उनको shock हो गया. She cried for him. चिल्लाने लगी वो. अरे come, grandfather, come. See, the boy has caught a snake. Grandfather, he came running. और जैसे उनको पता चला that narrator had caught a snake in the shell. उन्होंने कोकोनट के शेल में एक स्नेक पकड़ा हुआ था. He snatched the shell and he threw it. उन्होंने बच्चे के हाथ से जो है snatch किया शेल को and he threw the shell far away. The snake, as soon as the shell was thrown, the snake crawled away and disappeared behind the bushes. ठीक है, वहां पर बुशी छोटे छोटे पौधे थे. स्नेक जैसे ही कोकोनट शेल फेंका गया, ठीक है, वैसे ही जो है वो स्नेक वहां से निकला, पत्थर क्योंकि फेंका गया एंड इट वेंट. ठीक है, वो बुशेस में जाकर के छुप गया. ठीक है, यू नो, ग्रैंडफादर वार्नड मी. नरेटर कहते हैं कि ग्रैंडफादर ने मुझे वार्न किया. क्या बोला? दैट नेवर गो नियर द स्नेक बिकॉज स्नेक्स आर वेरी डेंजरस. ग्रैंडफादर ने वार्न किया कि कभी भी स्नेक के पास मत जाना, स्नेक्स बहुत डेंजरस होती हैं. ठीक है, क्लियर है? इज इट क्लियर? वन न्यू बॉय हैज कम. लेट अस सी. 1 second. Alan?
Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Alan.
Good afternoon, madam.
How are you?
I'm fine.
So, Alan, where you are from? Kindly give a short introduction of yourself.
Actually, I am from Singapore.
Okay, and what do you do?
Actually, I'm studying. I'm actually studying in National Institute of Urban Schooling, like doing. So I just studying at in Singapore. The notes.
Kindly elaborate. I could not understand it.
No, I trying to say is that like I have like the books, so I'm studying there, and next October I will take my examination. Next year October.
Okay, so which month exam you will be giving?
October.
This October.
Not this October. Next year October.
Okay, next year October exam you will be giving.
Yeah.
Okay, and how old are you, Alan?
I'm 18 years old.
Okay, so is it like you reside in Singapore with your family?
Yeah, I'm staying with my family.
Fine.
Actually, I will take my exam in Kochi, Anjali College.
What?
In Kochi, is in Kerala.
Okay.
Yeah,
There
so
what
I'm
do you
taking
do?
examination there.
Okay. This is for which class you have registered?
10th.
Good. Fine. Okay. So we are doing up with the first lesson of your book, Alan. Do you have the books with you?
Yes.
Okay. You have already registered?
Yeah, I only bought all the books.
Okay, fine. So the first 3 paragraphs I have explained right now. Okay. Now I am proceeding further. Okay, Alan?
Okay.
Okay, fine. So now see what happened. In the morning time this happened. Okay, that the snake had crawled and the boy had in a coconut shell, he had closing the mouth by a stone, he had picked up and he had brought it in front of grandmother and grandfather. Both they had explained him not to touch, not to go nearby to the snake. Now later in the evening, what happened, you see? Later in the evening, I tried to catch a bee and it stung me on my finger. I felt a sharp pain. I ran to grandmother and told her that I had been bitten and I wanted her to do something to stop the pain. Grandmother thought that I had been bitten by a snake. She called out to grandfather, "Come and see what has happened to Raja." So, what is the name of the narrator? The narrator's name is Raja. What is his name? Kindly come out, please. What is the name of the narrator?
Raja, ma'am.
Raja. Okay. So, see what happened. As in the evening time, Raja, he was trying to catch a bee. He was great animal lover. Sometimes he used to catch snake, sometimes bee, sometimes insect. Like he was mad behind animals only. So in the evening time, when he was trying to catch a bee, the bee gave its tongue, nicely stinged it. Okay. So the bee stung him on his finger. He felt that sharp pain. मधुमक्खी काटती तो कितना बुरा पेन होता है ना होता है. So he felt that sharp pain. In that pain, he ran to the grandmother. And to the grandmother, when he ran, he did not tell anything. Like he was catching bee or he was doing something wrong or something like that. He just said that he was being bitten. उसको किसी ने काट लिया. He said that मुझे काटा गया है, मुझे किसी ने काटा है, ठीक है. And grandmother hearing काटा है, she understood कि अच्छा morning time he was trying to catch a snake. मतलब the snake had bitten. अभी भी वो उसने कुछ ऐसे ही किया होगा. So the snake would have bitten. Grandmother, she called out for grandfather. He said, "Come see what has happened to Raja." Grandfather at once he came and he understood that a snake has bitten. He looked at the finger. There was a blue mark on the finger. The finger had turned blue where the bee had bit him. Without a word, without hearing anything, without thinking anything, he just picked up Raja in his arms and he started running. Okay, he ran across the garden, he ran across the paddy field, he ran across the road, and then he ran and he ran and he reached to a small house. Far away, it was a small house. Okay, some distance away from the home, there was a small house. He reached there. And then in the home, in front of that house, he shouted. He shouted for the man who lived in that small house. In that house, who lived, you see? An old gray-haired man came out of the house. उस घर से एक बूढ़ा बूढ़ा सा ग्रे कलर का उसका हेयर हो गया था ऐसा. एक ओल्ड मैन आया बाहर. He knew the cure of snake bite. ये जो बूढ़ा आदमी था इसको snake bite का क्योर पता था. Grandfather asked him to cure me. Grandfather ने उस बूढ़े आदमी से कहा that my grandson had been bitten by a snake. Kindly cure him. Old man grandson को लेके अंदर गया. He looked at my finger. Narrator बताते हैं that he looked at my finger and then asked me to sit down and not to move. उन्होंने मेरे फिंगर को बहुत ध्यान से ऑब्जर्व किया. He saw very carefully and then he asked narrator to sit down and he said that don't move now. Okay, don't move. I will cure you. I sat on grandfather's lap. मैं grandfather की गोदी में बैठ गया. The old man then took some water in some brass vessel. उस ओल्ड मैन ने एक ब्रास के बर्तन में थोड़ा सा पानी लिया, little bit of water, and he sat in front of us and then he started reciting mantras. उस पानी को लेकर के हमारे सामने बैठ गया. मैं दादाजी की गोदी में बैठा हुआ था and मेरे सामने वो मैन बैठ गया पानी लेकर के and he started chanting some mantra. कुछ मंत्र झाड़ फूक सम करने लग गए. I wanted to tell him, narrator कहते हैं, I wanted to tell him that it was a bee, not a snake. नरेटर कहते हैं मैं बताना चाहता था कि मुझे स्नेक ने नहीं काटा है. I have been bitten by a bee. Okay, but nobody let me say anything. Grandfather held me tight and did not allow me to talk. Grandfather ने मुझे बहुत टाइटली पकड़ रखा था और मुझे बोलने ही नहीं दिया. Grandmother had arrived there and some other people also. Grandmother भी आ गए थे तब तक और साथ में कुछ और लोग भी आ गए थे. They looked sad and silently they were watching. All of them, they were looking very sad. बहुत दुखी होकर के they were just watching. By this time अब देखो बी काटने का पेन बहुत ज्यादा लंबा है. होता बहुत स्टिंगी पेन है लेकिन वो बहुत थोड़ा ड्यूरेशन के लिए होता है. ठीक है. So by this time the finger in the pain in the finger had stopped, but still he was made to sit there. ठीक है. And he was getting curing of snake bite. After a few minutes, the old man got up. Okay, he washed the finger of narrator he gave him some water to drink and he said कि तुम थोड़े और देर के लिए चुपचाप बैठे रहो. He said me to keep quiet for some time. Then he turned to grandfather and said, फिर वो grandfather की तरफ मुड़ा और बोला, thank God, राजा was brought in time. ठीक है, उन्होंने grandfather को क्या बोला कि तुमने सही टाइम पे ले आए, अगर तुम जल्दी लेट करते तो बचाना बहुत मुश्किल होता. He is out of danger now. अब तो वो डेंजर से बाहर है. इंडीड बहुत ही पॉइजनस स्नेक था, जिसने काटा था वो स्नेक बहुत ही पॉइजनस. ग्रैंडफादर, ग्रैंडमदर, बाकी सबने बहुत थैंक बोला उसको, उस बूढ़े आदमी को. उसका भर भर के थैंक यू बोला, उसको खूब सारे गिफ्ट दिए. ओके, क्यों? क्योंकि उसने इतना बड़ा काम किया था कि ग्रैंडफादर के जो है ग्रैंडसन को उसने स्नेक बाइट से क्योर किया. बट फैक्ट इज, क्या स्नेक बाइट हुआ था? Tell me, is the reality that snake bite had done? Tell beta. Was there a snake bite? Vedant, Pushkar,
No, ma'am.
Alan. Snake ने काटा था क्या?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Snake ने तो काटा ही नहीं था. काटा किसने था?
Honey bee ने मैम.
हनी बी ने काटा था. तो ये जो स्टोरी है ये हमें बताती है, ये हमें सिखाती है कि अगर हम ब्लाइंड फेथ करेंगे तो हमारे साथ ऐसा ही होगा. कभी भी हमें पहली बातों को सुन लेना चाहिए, पहले अच्छे से इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट करना चाहिए, तब रिएक्ट करना चाहिए. ग्रैंडमदर ने ऐसे ही किया ना भाई, बिना जाने समझे बस बच्चे ने ये बोला कि मुझे तो काट दिया. रो रहा था वो उस वक्त पेन में, मुझे काट दिया बोला, और उनको लगा सांप ने काट दिया. ठीक है, तो ये जो स्टोरी है ये एक बुक है, शंकर लाइफ विद ग्रैंडफादर. इसमें बहुत सारी कलेक्शन ऑफ स्टोरीज हैं. ठीक है, जिसमें ऑथर अपने ग्रैंडफादर के साथ अपना टाइम जो उन्होंने विलेज में बताया उसके बारे में पूरी स्टोरीज लिखी. उसमें से एक छोटा सा सेक्शन दिया गया है जिसके थ्रू हमें ये समझाया गया है कि कभी भी बिना सोचे समझे रिएक्ट नहीं करना चाहिए और पूरी इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट बिना किए बिना नहीं रिएक्ट करना चाहिए. ठीक है, क्लियर है?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
चलो, now on a quick note, have the reading done. चलिए अपने स्क्रीन पे या अपने बुक उस पे ओपन करिए बुक और खोलिए और पहला रीडिंग शुरू कीजिए. चलिए, quietly everybody, 5 minutes of time I am giving you.